Hi guys, today we are going to see about CFSC value, how to find the CFSC value. It's an easy trick I'm going to tell you. Usually which formula we are going to use, that we will see, and then the easy trick, the tabular column also I will explain. You just memorize the tabular column. Okay, usually how we will find the CFSC value. This is the d orbitals in the free ion state. This is an average energy of the d orbital 1 2 3 4 5, and this split into two d orbitals. One is T2G, another one is EG. Okay, this is an average energy level, and this we call it as energy barrier. Okay, I will draw in little bit properly. This energy barrier. Always, the metal with the ligand, there will be a repulsion between the metal and the ligand if it is closer to each other. Okay, the metal ion, if it is in the d orbital of the metal ions in the EG state, is having a higher energy. Okay, just having a less repulsion, and that is 0.6 plus 0.6, and this the lower T2G orbital, which is having a minus 0.4. It's a very less repulsion compared to this. Here it is a high repulsion will be there. This is dz square dx square minus y square. This is having a more repulsion d orbitals. This is a very less repulsion d orbitals, and this is in octahedral field. Okay, this is in octahedral. This case is completely reversed in the tetrahedral field. I'll take it this field. This is alone. Okay, I don't want to write the whole thing. I'll take this alone. Here E and here T2G. It will get reverse the energy barrier. Here it will be the energy difference in this is T2. There is no generate orbitals here. There is no G is there. There is no symmetry. That's why T2 and E is there. Here it is minus 0.6 less and less repulsion. Here plus 0.4 repulsion is high. Okay, so here as always this status will be a high repulsion will be there in the metal ion, d orbitals of metal ion. Okay. What is the formula to find out the CFSC? We will move to the CFSC value. How to find the CFSC value for octahedral? How to find the CFSC value? If there is a number of electrons is there, okay, number of electrons into minus 0.4, okay, plus number of electrons into plus 0.6. This is the formula for octahedral CFSC value. This is the formula, and the same way for tetrahedral, number of electrons, the same thing, but here minus 0.6 plus number of electrons into plus 0.4. This is the difference between the these two. Okay, and one more thing, if it is a tetrahedral field, there is no low spin. There is no low spin complexes in the tetrahedral field. Only high spin is possible. Only high spin is possible. High spin means the ligand. No, you don't need to check the ligand. The ligand is always weak ligand. Weak ligand is always gives high spin complexes. Here the two things are there in the octahedral field. Two things are possible. One is strong ligand. Another one is weak ligand. Strong ligand. Another one is a weak ligand. The strong ligand comes from strong ligand and weak ligand. Okay, the strong ligand gives low spin. Low spin means pairing takes place. Weak ligand gives high spin, that is the pairing will not take place. The electron after completion of 3 electrons, it moves to high spin. High spin means it moves to the next orbital. If it is a low spin, again it will pairing takes place. That is the difference between these. How we have to select means according to the strong Ligand and weak Ligand. How we have which one is a strong Ligand and which one is a weak Ligand, that also we will see. Chemical says which is a strong Ligand. Strong Ligand is CO is strong Ligand, and then Cn minus, and then NO2, and then En, and then we can say pyridine, which is equivalent to ammonia, and then H2O. These are all equivalent to oxalate ion. Okay, and OH, and then ammonia is over, and then fluorine, and then acid, and urea is also come over here. Urea, fluorine, acid, and chlorine, bromine, and then iodine. So you can easily come to know these are all, okay, these are all weak Ligand. These are all weak Ligand, and these are all strong Ligand. These are all strong Ligand. So if the strong Ligand means leads to low spin, strong, low, opposite to that. Weak Ligand leads to high spin. Okay, there is no pairing. This is the difference. Let us move to the shortcut tricks. Okay, this is the normal way we used to find out the CFSE values. But I don't want to discuss more about this. We will go to that shortcut. Okay, now we are going to see the shortcut. Everyone knows about the fourth table. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16. Instead of 16 you have to write 0.0. Okay, this is the values. Okay, this is the values. Now I am going to fill the D1 orbital. This is the value for D1, value for D2, value for D3, D4. This is D5, and again the D6, which is going to write over here. D6, D7, D8, D9, here D10. The CFSE value for D5 and D10 is always 0. Okay, this is for octahedral complexes. Okay, high spin, octahedral high spin values. Okay, this is octahedral high spin values. And if it is a low spin, how we have to do it? That is also another way, sir. The D1 is as usual, D1, D2, D3, the same value will be there. And the first 3 and the last 3 is having the same values. There is no difference in that. Okay, 8, 9, 10. D1, 2, 3 and 8, 9, 10. D8, 9, 10. D8, 9, 10, which is having a same value. But the D4, 5, 6, 7, which is having a different value. That is also easiest method is there, that I will tell you. Okay, D4, 4 4s are 16. 16 means 1.6 value. And D5s are, that is 4 5s are 20. 20 means instead of 20, 0, its value is not there. So 2. Keep it as 2. 4, 5, 6. Again, D6. 4 6 are 24. Value is 2.4. We are writing point. Okay, 2.4. 4 7s are 28. Instead of 2.8, I am going to write 1.8. Very simple. That is the value for this. Okay. No need to forget to mention the negative value in front of the values. Okay. Now, all these are negative values. You have to mention the negative values. And tetrahedral, only high spin is possible, as I already said. Okay. Tetrahedral high spin, what is the value? It just reverse about it. But D5 and D10, there is no change in that. Okay. Sorry, D10, D2, okay. D5 and D10, there is no change in that. That is 0. But the D1, we need to start from here, not here. For the high spin, low spin, octahedral, we need to start D1 from here. But in the tetrahedral, we need to start from here. D1, D2, D3, D4. Okay. And again, 5 is there. 6. Wherever the 1 is there, they only have to start D6. 2, 7. 3, 8. 4, 9. This is the value. If you check, this is the value for D4 and D9, D1 and D6, D1 for octahedral complex and tetrahedral complex. If you know this tabular column, you can easily solve all the CFSC questions. Okay, and easily solve all the CFSC questions. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.